Okay, so welcome to geometry. I will tell you that we got to go through a lot of vocabulary today. And that just kind of stinks, okay? But that's okay. A point. A point is a location. It's a dot. Okay. Okay. What we're going to do is when we name it, we're going to name it with a capital letter. So this is point A, but I'm going to use a capital letter to do that. Okay. There will be some very specific ways we name things. Capital letters versus lowercase letters will be important. Okay. Okay. A line. Is made up of points, and it's 2 dimensions, okay? So when I draw a line, there's an infinite number of points that lie on that line. Now, if I have 2 points somewhere, I can connect them and make a line. So through any 2 points, we can draw a line. That seems like a duh, but that will be something that's going to be important later. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and draw 2 points on our line. And I'm going to name them A and B. Okay? So, when I name this line, I can say that this is line AB, and I'm going to put like the line notation over the top. And I could also name it line BA. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter the order because that line goes forever in both directions. Okay? What if there's 5 points named on the line? Maybe there's A, B, C, D, E. Just pick 2 points, that's all you need. More than 2 points, that doesn't make sense. Okay? So if I put like a C right here, I could still name it that. I could name it AC if I wanted to. Okay. We also can name a line if there's a cursive lowercase letter. So I'm going to make this a cursive. That is an L. It's not a point, but it's a cursive lowercase letter. So I can say that this is line L. Okay, a lot of today is putting some really formal definitions to things that you probably have seen before, but we're going to be picky about the notation. Okay. Okay, a plane. How many dimensions? Oh, you know what, guys? I made a mistake. Do you have an eraser? Yep. Can you change this to 1 dimension? I'm sorry. Because what do you think we're going to talk about with the plane? The plane is 2 dimensions. I was just getting really excited. A plane is 2 dimensions. Okay? And a plane is a flat surface. So think of like a piece of paper, okay? A flat surface. Made up of points. Okay. So to draw a plane, we're going to draw what looks like a floating piece of paper. Okay. So if we had 2 points, we could draw a line through it. How many points do you think we need to draw a plane through something? 3. Okay, like if you had a stool, you could not have a stool with just 2 legs. It'd be wobbly. But if you have 3 legs on a stool, those will meet the ground, as long as they're the same length, right? They'll meet the ground, and you're fine. Okay. It's also why some of you, like if you have like a broken piece on the bottom of your chair and it's wiggly, it only takes those 3 legs to be on the ground to make a unique plane. Okay. All right. So we can name a plane. So I can put like a capital cursive letter in the corner. So I can call this plane M. Okay. So kind of like the line, I had a lowercase cursive. With the plane, we can make an uppercase cursive. Okay. We could, what? Not a question? Okay. If I have 3 points in my plane, I can name it with those 3 points. So I can name this plane XYZ. Okay. Even if there's 5 points that are named in your plane, you only need 3 of them to name the plane. Okay. Those are capital letters.
Why do you spell dimension 2 different ways?
Because I was panicked. Did I spell it right that time?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't either. Thank you.
Idea. That's what I was
Okay.
asking.
You all are my spell checkers.
That's not a good idea.
That's not a good idea. Okay. Sometimes when I talk and write, things happen. Okay. All right. Space. We went from point to line to plane to space. How many dimensions is space? Okay. Boundless 3D set of all points. Okay. I want you to understand that when we talk about lines and planes, they extend on forever. So I have arrows on my line. That's notating, hey, they go on forever. I can't really put an arrow on my plane. Okay. But it is going forever in those 2 directions. Okay. And then space is like this room, right? It just contains it all. Okay. All right. Whew. 2 more. Co-linear. Co-planar. Co definitely means something, right? What does it mean as a prefix? Together. I love that. Okay. Miss Ripple is my co-worker because we work together. Okay. So co-linear. Together, but together where? Co-linear line. Where together, it's not 2 lines, it's just 1 line. Okay. But it's points on the same line. Okay, so I want you to draw that picture and we're going to talk about which points are collinear.
B and just B.
Okay, there are 3 points that lie on the same line.
Oh.
So A, B, and C are collinear with each other. Okay. But if we talk about non-collinear, is D on the same line as those?
No.
No. So I can say, you know what? A and D are I'm going to change that back. A, B, C, D together are non-collinear. Okay. Anytime I ask you for collinear, I'll ask you for 3 at least, because any 2 points we can draw a line. Okay. All right, so what does coplanar mean?
Oh wait, planes that like collide that have like pointing connecting them.
You're a step ahead. If collinear points on the same line, coplanar would be points on the same plane. Okay, so P, Q, R, and S are coplanar because they all lie in the same plane. Now, you ready for this?
I hope so.
Okay, we're gonna draw a line shooting through S.
What?
I'm sorry.
Or you're just gonna shoot someone and just say, "Oh, sorry."
So, since this is a 3-dimensional picture on a 2-dimensional board, I put like a little dotted line because this line is like, we can't see it if like it's like this pencil coming through the, like,
That makes a lot.
okay. So like that line is coming through the plane like this. Like the plane is flat and the line is coming through. Yeah. So like T is down here.
How's that going through the
Underneath
iPad?
the plane going up.
Oh, there's a hole.
There's a hole. Okay. So
Smart.
T is non-coplanar with the other ones because T is not in that plane. Okay, T is lonely.
Imagine.
Okay. Here's the deal. I know that we are not all artists. I'm one of them. But we are going to have to like draw some things. I'm going to try to help you the best that I can, okay? So we're going to draw a couple pictures here down below. If I draw 2 lines, what is their intersection going to be? Okay, so 2 lines intersect at a point. If we draw 2 lines they intersect at a point. Oh, G for Gerald? Okay. Just for you. Okay. Now, what if we have a plane intersecting a line? Or a line intersecting a plane? Ah, there's that picture right there that we just drew. These also intersect at a point. You know what, I'll do a different color. Okay.
Oh, wait, it's gonna be intersected at a.
Just, hey. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. I have this really cool iPad here that is helping me.
That's why it's so perfectly straight. I wonder why I can't.
That's a pretty picture right there. I'm pretty proud of that one.
But it's all correct.
It is. That's okay, though. Okay, you guys are all getting excited. What about two planes? Where do they intersect? Yes. This is the one that's going to be hard to draw. Okay? So we're going to draw this together step by step. So could everybody draw a normal plane?
Why are planes like that?
Why did I ask him? I don't know. They're weird like that.
Okay. So I know that it's going to intersect in a line, so I'm going to draw my line. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the plane.
That looks really weird.
I feel like having two colors.
Mine looks like a seesaw.
Oh, I see.
Does that help?
Not at all.
Cool.
It looks like a cheese sandwich. That's a rectangle.
It's a dollar.
Parallelogram.
All right. Here we go. Let's stop writing things down and let's start working with some pictures. Go to the next page. Hey, it's already drawn for you. Oh, man. Okay. So, here is our picture. Notice how my plane is named with a capital letter and our lines are named with lowercase letters, and then our points are capital normal. Okay. A line containing point Q. Okay, you know what? The easiest way would be to name it line C. Okay. What plane? See, line C has Q on it, right? Okay. What plane is holding both S and T? Plane A. Okay. Now, let's go back to our lovely line C. And let's talk about some other ways to name. Okay, so we could name it with our line hat, TR. What else?
RT.
Yep, what else? Aw, it's cutie.
Thank you.
We could name it TQ, right?
Who's TQ?
And what else?
Your mom.
A. RQ, we can name it QR. Now, that's a little excessive, okay? Sometimes I'll say, give me 2 other ways to name it. Okay, I won't make you do them all. Okay, a point. not coplanar with S, T, and Q? Ah, point V is not coplanar with those guys. Non-coplanar. All right, 3 points that are collinear. There's only one option. TRQ. I don't care what order they're in. Now, I made a mess up, and I'm sorry, and you'll all forgive me. Could you please cross out A and write C right there? Thank you. I know. Sometimes I'm a human. No, right here. Right here, make that a C.
Oh, and I was confused.
You were, yes. All right. What is the intersection of line C and B? Point R. Good. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm going to have you do. I am going to have you answer example 2. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to talk about it at your table, and then we're going to talk about it. Ready, set, go.
Wait a minute, would there technically be 7 because of the other side?
Wait, no, but that's the same plane as plane.
No, there's like a top and then there's like a bottom. So would you technically count that as a different side? Name more points.
I'm smart.
The bottom of it's also.
One is 6, A is 7.
How is it 7? Oh wait, yeah, you're right.
I know, that's what I thought. Yeah. Is it the bottom of the triangle? Wait, but what if that's just the?
Name 4 points.
Yeah. What? The intersection? Are we sure it's 7?
Points on the same line.
Wait, 6, 7?
Corbin, look at the board. No, look at the board.
I knew it. I was right, and then I listened.
And then I listened.
See, when I listen, I'm wrong. Because the bottom is the other one.
Like C, D, E, F, G, those points are in plane P. So they're just like in there already.
I told you guys. Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Wait, if I name the intersection, is it just gonna like give it collinear or?
No, like give me the point. 2 lines intersect at a point, so give me the point. Okay, here we go.
This is the same plane or 2 different?
They're the same.
I knew it.
Okay, so I'm really upset that these are the numbers, but that's fine. There was a lot of arguments about whether there are 6 or 7 planes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. C, D, E, F, and G are contained in plane P. It's not a separate plane.
Hey, that rhymed.
Okay, so there's plane P, and then there's 5 sides of that pyramid. Okay. When I asked for 4 points that are collinear, yellow table, what did you write down? Those are probably your only choices up there, right? Those are the only 4 points together that lie on the same line. Okay, now if I am asking you for the intersection of 2 planes, your answer better be a what? A line. So what line is that intersection? It's CG, correct?
Oh, wait, I was right the first time? Oh.
Because, and you know what? highlight it. We're talking about GAC and the plane. It's this guy right here. You have a pencil. What I'm saying is like use your pencil, okay? Draw on it. Okay, the intersection of two lines is going to be what kind of an answer? A point. So the intersection of, here is HF and here is JI. Ooh, what is it? Just point I. So you can write I, you can write point I. I don't care how you do it. Okay?
Oh, it's
Why is it plain
oh my god.
P doesn't go after J?
I just got it. It's under.
That was weird.